Of all the legendary names in Hollywood, one stands out, Otto Desć, affectionately known to his friends as Autodesk.
What do I think when you mention the name Autodesk? Hollywood legend, icon.
I wouldn't be the filmmaker I am today without Autodesk.
He has been called a world builder, a dream maker, an innovator.
He changed game-changing.
Visual effects wouldn't be where it is today if it wasn't for Autodesk.
As curious as he was fearless, he would raise impossible structures, create the tools of our shared future, transform dreams into reality.
I mean, if Hollywood had a Mount Rushmore, Otto would be on it.
His grasp of technology is awe-inspiring.
He can do it all. He's a wizard.
What's your favorite movie? I bet Otto worked on it.
I never met Otto, but he changed my life.
And though he never sought the spotlight, tonight it will finally shine bright on Autodesk.
Congratulations, Otto.
Congrats, Otto.
Congratulations, Otto.
Thank you for everything.
Ladies and gentlemen, Autodesk.
Hi, I'm Courtney. I think there's been a misunderstanding. I use Autodesk software to make movies look amazing. There is no guy named Autodesk. Well, since I'm here, I want to thank...
And so the world finally realized what should have been pretty obvious. Autodesk is a software company that helps people make anything, like visual effects for movies, and skyscrapers, and space robots. The man and the myth were no more.
Oh, software maker. That does make sense.
Make movies, make buildings, make products, make worlds, make anything. Autodesk.